Revolutionizing small manufacturing. The power of 3D printing. What if I told you that one machine, the size of a microwave, could take your side hustle to a six-figure business? Imagine designing a product tonight and holding it in your hands tomorrow. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's happening right now. This is the future of small manufacturing, and it's called 3D printing. And it's changing the game for entrepreneurs worldwide. By the end of this video, you'll know how this technology can unlock massive profits for your business, side hustle, or gig. So buckle up because we're about to dive into the revolution that could transform your financial future. What is 3D printing and why should you care? In its simplest form, 3D printing is the process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. This technology is no longer reserved for massive corporations or tech giants. Today, even a small entrepreneur like you can harness the power of 3D printing to manufacture products, reduce costs, and skyrocket your profits. Forget waiting weeks for prototypes, relying on expensive manufacturers, or facing crazy inventory costs. With 3D printing, you can create custom products on demand, from the comfort of your own home or small office. Think about it. No more middlemen, no more bulk orders, no more waste. Whether you're designing parts, tools, home goods, or even unique gadgets, you control every step of the process. Why 3D printing is perfect for entrepreneurs. You don't need $1 million investment to start producing physical products anymore. That's the beauty of 3D printing. Entrepreneurs, small business owners, and side hustlers are now finding themselves with unprecedented opportunities. Here's how it can revolutionize your business. 1. Low upfront investment. You can start with an affordable 3D printer. Depending on what you want to create, decent models start as low as $200. Compare that to traditional manufacturing equipment. Big win, right? 2. Customization and personalization. In today's market, customers are willing to pay more for products tailored to their needs. With 3D printing, customization is easy. Whether it's personalized phone cases, custom jewelry, or niche tools, the only limit is your creativity. 3. Low risk, high reward. Traditional manufacturing involves huge risks, bulk orders, unsold inventory, storage fees, etc. With 3D printing, you only produce what you need, minimizing waste and maximizing profit. 4. Fast prototyping. Have a new product idea? Create a prototype in hours, test it, and get feedback almost immediately. This rapid iteration cycle allows you to bring products to market faster than your competitors. 5. Cutting out the middleman. Gone are the days of dealing with suppliers, warehouses, and distributors. With 3D printing, you're the designer, manufacturer, and business owner all in one. That means fewer costs eating into your profits. Practical business ideas using 3D printing. 1. Personalized custom products. 1. Profit potential, high. 2. Idea. Offer highly personalized products that cater to individual preferences and needs. 2. This could include everything from custom-fit clothing and accessories to personalized home decor and tech gadgets. Imagine being able to create one-of-a-kind products that your customers will absolutely love. 3D printing allows you to produce unique items at scale without the high costs associated with traditional manufacturing. 2. On-demand manufacturing. 1. Profit potential, medium-high. 2. Idea. Set up an on-demand manufacturing service that allows customers to order products as needed, rather than having to carry large inventories. 2. This could be particularly beneficial for industries like automotive parts, aerospace components, and medical devices. Imagine the flexibility and efficiency of being able to produce parts and products exactly when you need them. 3D printing eliminates the need for costly warehousing and inventory management, allowing you to optimize your operations and reduce costs. 3. Rapid prototyping. 1. Profit potential, high. 2. Idea. Offer rapid prototyping services to help businesses develop new products and test designs quickly and efficiently. 2. This can be a valuable service for companies in industries like engineering, design, and product development. Imagine being able to bring your product ideas to life in a fraction of the time and cost. 3D printing allows you to create physical models of your designs, so you can test them, gather feedback, and make improvements before investing in large-scale production. 4. Custom prosthetic devices. 1. Profit potential, very high. 2. Idea. Create custom prosthetic devices that are tailored to the specific needs of individuals with disabilities. 2. This could include everything from prosthetic limbs to hearing aids and orthotics. Imagine the impact you could have on people's lives by providing them with high-quality, affordable prosthetic devices. 3D printing allows you to create customized solutions that improve mobility, comfort, and quality of life. 5. Architectural models. 1. Profit potential, medium-high. 2. Idea. Offer custom architectural models to architects, designers, and real estate developers. 2. These models can be used to visualize projects, present designs to clients, and identify potential issues before construction begins. Imagine the value of being able to communicate your vision to clients and stakeholders in a tangible and engaging way. 3D printing allows you to create stunningly detailed models that capture the essence of your architectural designs. 6. Personalized jewelry. 1. Profit potential, high. 2. Idea. Create custom jewelry pieces that are unique and meaningful to each customer. 2. This could include everything from engagement rings and wedding bands to personalized necklaces and bracelets. Imagine the opportunity to create truly special and unforgettable pieces for your customers. 3D printing allows you to design and produce jewelry that is both beautiful and personal. 7. Educational tools. 1. Profit potential, medium-high. 2. Idea. Create educational tools and materials using 3D printing. 2. This could include everything from anatomical models to engineering prototypes and scientific experiments. Imagine the potential to enhance learning and inspire creativity in students of all ages. 3D printing allows you to create engaging and interactive tools that bring learning to life. 8. Customized toys and games. 1. Profit potential, high. 2. Idea. Create custom toys and games that are tailored to individual interests and preferences. 2. This could include everything from personalized action figures and dolls to custom board games and puzzles. Imagine the joy of being able to create one-of-a-kind toys that your children will cherish for years to come. 3D printing allows you to design and produce toys that are both fun and educational. 9. Home decor accessories. 1. Profit potential, medium-high. 2. Idea. Create unique home decor accessories using 3D printing. 2. This could include everything from vases and lamps to wall art and sculptures. Imagine the opportunity to add a touch of personality to your customers' homes. 3D printing allows you to create stylish and functional accessories that are sure to make a statement. 10. Customized gadgets and accessories. 1. Profit potential, high. 2. Idea. Create custom gadgets and accessories that cater to the specific needs and preferences of your target market. 2. This could include everything from phone cases and laptop sleeves to drone parts and robot components. Imagine the potential to create innovative and functional products that meet the needs of your customers. 3D printing allows you to design and produce gadgets that are both stylish and practical. The profit potential of 3D printing. Here's where things get exciting. Let's talk numbers. The 3D printing industry is expected to grow to over $40 billion by 2026. That's right, billion. And the best part? You don't need to be a huge player to get a slice of that pie. Entrepreneurs and small business owners are already seeing insane profit margins by selling 3D printed goods on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and their own e-commerce stores. You're not just selling products, you're selling solutions. Whether it's a custom phone holder that solves a problem or an exclusive collectible that no one else offers, the perceived value of 3D printed products can be extremely high. Combine that with minimal material costs and you have a recipe for huge profit margins. Case study: turning a side hustle into a six-figure business. Take John Doe, name changed, who started a 3D printing business in his garage with just a $500 investment. He began by creating custom keychains and other trinkets for niche fandoms. As demand grew, he expanded his product line to include personalized home decor and unique gift items. Within 18 months, his small Etsy shop grew into a six-figure business, and he now ships products worldwide, all from his 3D printers. His success wasn't a stroke of luck. It was the result of tapping into the potential of 3D printing, learning the market, and creating custom products that people wanted. And the best part? You can do it too. How to get started with 3D printing. Now that you're excited about the possibilities, let's get down to how you can get started. First, you'll need a few key tools. 1. A reliable 3D printer. As mentioned, you can start with an entry-level printer, but consider investing in one that fits your business goals. Printers like the Creality Ender 3 or the Prusa i3 are great for beginners and offer tons of flexibility. 2. Design software. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer to start. There are tons of user-friendly software programs like Tinkercad, Fusion 360, and Blender that make it easy to create digital designs for your 3D printer. 3. Materials, filament. Your printer will need material to work with, typically plastic filaments like PLA or ABS. These materials are affordable and come in a wide range of colors and textures, allowing you to get creative with your products. 4. an online platform. Whether you want to sell through your own website, Etsy, or even at local markets, choose a platform that makes sense for your business. Online selling allows you to reach customers globally, expanding your market reach instantly. 3D printing and the future of manufacturing. Here's something that might blow your mind. 3D printing isn't just for small businesses. It's also making waves in industries like aerospace, healthcare, and automotive. Big companies are using this technology to create everything from jet engine parts to human organs. And while the idea of 3D printing organs might sound wild, it only goes to show that the potential of this technology is limitless. And you, as a forward-thinking entrepreneur, have a golden opportunity to ride this wave of innovation. The barrier to entry is low, but the profit potential is sky-high. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Revolutionizing your business with 3D printing. D-printing is more than just a trend. It's a revolutionary way to turn ideas into income. As more people discover its potential, the competition will increase, but the time to act is now. Don't wait for someone else to cash in on this wave of innovation. You can be the one creating custom products, solving real problems, and scaling your business to new heights. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.